I honestly thought building a website from scratch with Figma's AI tools would be easy. Like open Figma, click a few buttons, maybe tweak some things, and boom, done. I really believed it was going to be that simple, but I was so wrong. What actually happened was days of dragging rectangles around, endlessly adjusting spacing, tweaking colors that somehow never looked right, staring at my screen wondering why my design still didn't look anything like the beautiful websites I had saved for inspiration. No matter how much effort I put in, everything felt slightly off. It was frustrating in that very specific way where, you're putting in the work, but the results just aren't matching the effort. And the worst part is that Figma itself wasn't the problem. The tools are powerful, but without the right process, it's incredibly easy to feel overwhelmed, stuck, and honestly a little defeated. If you're trying to create a beautiful, user-friendly website without overcomplicating everything, this is exactly for you. Because once I stopped trying to do everything manually and instead leaned into AI the right way, everything changed. In this video, I want to show you the 3 steps that completely changed how I design websites and helped me get professional looking results way faster than I ever thought possible. And yes, we're using UX Pilot together with Figma's AI, so you can finally stop feeling stuck and start feeling genuinely excited about your own designs. The link to UX Pilot is in the description. There's no special discount or secret deal, just the program itself, but the workflow it unlocks is honestly what makes the biggest difference. Step 1. Set up your project in Figma using AI. Now here comes my absolute favorite part, because this is where everything starts to feel easy instead of overwhelming. When I first opened Figma and tried the AI Quick Start feature, I wasn't expecting much. I assumed it would give me something super basic that I'd end up deleting anyway, but instead it suggested a homepage layout, a cohesive color palette, and even a font pairing that actually worked together. I remember thinking, wait, this is actually cute, and it already looks professional. You start by opening Figma and creating a brand new project. No pressure, no blank canvas anxiety, just a fresh file. Then you click on the AI Quick Start or AI Assistant button, depending on which version of Figma you're using. Next, you describe your website's purpose in 1 or 2 clear sentences. Something simple like, I want a modern portfolio website for a freelance designer, or I want a friendly bakery website that highlights products and online ordering. After that, you let Figma's AI do its thing. It suggests a layout structure, a color scheme, and a font combination that already feels intentional and cohesive. At this stage, you're not committing to anything forever. You can tweak the colors, adjust the fonts, or hit regenerate if you want to explore different directions. This part is all about exploration without the pressure of perfection. Here's what most people don't realize. Figma's AI is trained on thousands of real websites, not random designs. That means the suggestions you're getting are based on patterns that already work in the real world. The more specific you are with your description, the better your starting point will be. Don't just say business website. Say friendly bakery website with pastel colors, product photos, and online ordering. That level of clarity gives the AI something solid to work with. By the end of this step, you're no longer staring at a blank canvas. You already have a structured foundation that looks intentional, modern, and professional. And that alone removes so much of the initial frustration. But this is just the beginning, because the real structure of your website comes together in the next step. Step 2. Generate UX flows, wireframes, and designs with AI. This is the step where everything started to feel almost unfair in the best way possible. When I connected UX Pilot to my Figma project for the first time, I didn't expect much more than a basic outline. But within seconds, the AI mapped out my homepage, about page and contact flow in under a minute. I genuinely sat there thinking, how did it know exactly what my users needed? You start by opening the UX Pilot plugin directly inside Figma. There's no switching tools or complicated setup. Then you select Generate UX Flow. Next, you describe your main user goals in simple language. For example, I want visitors to browse my portfolio, read testimonials, and contact me. Based on that input, UX Pilot automatically creates a user flow that makes sense. It shows how visitors move from one page to another and what actions they're likely to take at each step. After that, UX Pilot generates wireframes for each key page. These aren't just random boxes on a screen. They're structured layouts that reflect real user behavior. You can drag, drop, reorder, or edit any step in the flow. Nothing is locked in. You're always in control, but you're no longer starting from zero. Once the wireframes are in place, this is where Figma's AI design tools come back into the picture. You select a wireframe page, click the AI design or auto style option, and choose a design style like modern, minimal, playful, or elegant. The AI then fills in images, text, buttons, and visual hierarchy in a way that instantly feels polished. This was the moment I really understood the power of combining these tools. UX Pilot handles the structure and logic, while Figma's AI handles the visual execution. Together, they remove the two biggest pain points of web design: figuring out what pages you need and making them look good. Here's what most people don't know. UX Pilot's AI is trained on real user behavior, not just design trends. That means the flows it suggests are designed to convert, not just look pretty. By the end of the step, you don't just have ideas. You have a complete website structure and high-quality designs that already feel ready for the real world. Step 3. Export, review, and launch your website. Now comes the finishing step. And honestly, this part feels incredibly satisfying. At this point, your website isn't just a design concept. It's a fully thought-out system with structure, visuals, and intention behind every page. You start by using Figma's export tools to prepare your design for launch. This could mean exporting assets, handing off the design as HTML and CSS, or preparing everything for a developer if you're not building it yourself. Then you use UX Pilot's export feature to generate a launch checklist and any additional documentation or code snippets you might need. This checklist is one of those things you don't realize you need until you have it. It covers essentials like page structure, usability, accessibility basics, and SEO considerations. Instead of guessing whether you forgot something important, you can move forward with confidence. Next, you upload your files to your web host or share everything with your developer. After that, you preview your website on desktop and mobile to make sure everything looks exactly the way you want. You check spacing, readability, navigation, and overall flow. Finally, you hit publish. And just like that, your website is live on the internet. This is where it really hits you how much time and money you've saved. If you hired a professional web designer, you'd easily spend anywhere from $3,000 to $10,000. And that's before revisions, maintenance, or future updates. If you tried to learn traditional web design from scratch, you'd be looking at 6 to 12 months of classes, tutorials, and practice before feeling confident enough to launch anything. With UX Pilot and Figma's AI, the barrier to entry is completely different. For less than the cost of a new pair of sneakers, you can design and launch a professional website in a single weekend. Some people worry they're not creative enough, but the AI handles most of the creative heavy lifting. You're not starting from nothing, you're guiding and refining. Others worry they don't know what pages they need. UX Pilot solves that by suggesting proven user flows based on real data. And if you're worried your site will look generic, that only happens when you don't customize. These tools adapt to your input, your brand, and your vision. The biggest benefit of this approach isn't just speed, it's confidence. Confidence that your website makes sense, confidence that it looks professional, and confidence that you didn't miss something important along the way. Your website doesn't have to be something you put off for months or years. With the right tools and the right process, it can start today. And once you experience how smooth this workflow really is, you'll never want to design a website the hard way again.